Now, this is a short video designed to explain the production possibilities curve, which is one of the economic models that we're going to learn. Before we get into that, let's pretend that you had a job where you make $120 a week and you only buy two things. You buy DVDs and you buy books. And this chart here shows the 7 possible combinations. Up here with 6 DVDs, and they cost $20, so that would leave you $0 for books. So 6 DVDs and 0 books. Or any other possible combinations down to 0 DVDs, devoting your entire $120 to books, which would give you 12 books. If you graphed the chart that we just discussed, it would look like this. If you put DVDs on the y-axis and books on the x-axis and plotted all the possible combinations and joined them together, you would get a line like this. Here is our combination of 6 DVDs and 0 books down to 12 books and 0 DVDs. Note you could purchase anywhere along this line. You could also, for example, buy 2 books and 2 DVDs. So anything underneath the line is attainable. You would not be using all of your money. However, let's say you wanted 6 DVDs and 6 books. That's this point right here. That is unattainable. Why? You don't have enough money. This line represents the limit of what of combinations of books and DVDs you can buy with your income. Now, that little budget example is a good intro to the production possibilities curve because the curve looks a lot like that line we drew. It's a good way to demonstrate alternatives and choices that society faces when they make decisions. Our model assumes a couple of things. Number one, full employment. We're fully utilizing our resources. We have a fixed level of resources and a fixed level of technology. That's important because even if we had fixed resources, we might come up with an increase in technology to get better use the resources we have, but we're assuming we have fixed resources and fixed technology. And in this pretend economy, we're going to illustrate with the curve. There are only 2 goods: pizza and robots. It's a good combination because pizza represents consumer goods, things consumed by households, and robots represent capital goods, goods which can be used to create other goods. Now, in our pretend economy, we have these 5 production alternatives. We have choice A with 0 pizzas because we're devoting all of our resources to robots, in which case we can make 10,000 robots or 10 units of robots. Choice B, of course, we can get a little bit of pizza, 1 unit, 100,000, but that reduces the number of robots we can make to 9,000. Down to our final choice, we devote all of our resources to pizza, 400,000 pizzas, of course, leaving us with 0 robots. Now, if we graph these 5 points, we get the following. Here is curve ABCDE, the chart that we just discussed. Notice up here at the top, we've got our all robots option with 10,000 robots and 0 pizzas. And down here at the bottom, point E, we have our 4 units of pizza, 400,000 pizzas, and 0 robots. A good thing about the production possibilities curve is it also illustrates opportunity cost. For example, let's say we were at point A and we wanted to go to point B. It tells us what that cost us. To get a unit of pizza, which is what point B is, we have to give up 1 unit of robots. So opportunity cost for that first unit of pizza is 2 units of robots. To get to C, which is 2 units of pizza, notice we have to give up 2 units of robots, whereas for the first unit we only had to give up 1. And to get from C to D, which is 3 units of pizza, we have to give up a whopping 3 units of robots. And to get our final unit of pizza, 4, we have to give up 4. This illustrates the law of increasing opportunity cost. The more you make of something, the more of the alternative good you have to give up. I won't discuss in the context of this video, the short video, why that is, but trust me, it is that way. And it works the opposite way. Each additional unit of robots is going to be more and more costly in terms of pizza. That's why this curve is a curve. It has a slope. The slope is positive because the production possibility, the opportunity cost increase. Law of increasing opportunity cost. So just remember for now that the law of increasing opportunity cost is why the curve is bowed out from the origin, right? Because it has a positive slope.